Hi guys, welcome back to another video of our channel SE38. Here we talk about all kind of SAP related stuff which you can use in your daily life in your SAP development, support, functional analysis and all. So for different aspects we have made different videos. As you remember, one of our video on DUMPS worked very well. So on that video we had few comments from you guys that why don't you make another for other dumps. I hope this video is for the same purpose. If you want to see the earlier video, click on the I button and watch it. If you like this video, let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe it. Let's go to the dumps which we are concerned today. So this is the TSVT new page alloc failed. This is, the name says the page allocation is failed. Page is memory, as we know from computer architecture side. It simply indicates that your process which was running on the app server ran out of memory. This could be a case where there is an infinite loop, or there is a case where you have fetched a lot of data. Maybe you have done a select star in a, I don't know, maybe 200 billion entry table, so that causes this. So, or maybe a lot of load is on the server, that also can cause this. Ask your hardware experts as well for this, if there is consistency on this. The next one is RFC no authority. It's kind of simple one. The user tried to execute an RFC function module using RFC remote function call, but it was lacking the authority on the user hand. So when you see the dump, you will see the function module name in it, and the user ID also is there if you search it well. So you can take it to your authorization expert and they will add the required authorization. Usually it's the object s_RFC, and you can check the activities on the dump log. Going to the next one, it's a type conflict. It's majorly development or programming error. It might be from SAP stack, it might be from a custom stack. This simply indicates there is a different kind of field symbol assignment happening. So in the source code you can just find the point where the problem is happening and you can alter the code or modify it as per your requirement or as per the error. But this is an uncommon one. You might rarely see this. System code dump is kernel thing. It's totally application related thing. So this is usually on the missing updates, patch upgrades. So that usually SAP suggests us to take all the patch upgrades on time, and if you upgrade the patch as per the nodes, it will ideally solve your problem. So keep on updating your patch until you're not missing out for longer time. Call function not found is another dump where there is a call function towards a specific function module. It doesn't exist in the library. That means the table TFDI doesn't have it. That technically means either this function module is not generated or the buffered version has some error. So either you need to fix the error or activate it. That's how you can get through this dump. I guess you won't face it much, but yeah, that's how you solve it. Yeah, that's all for all kind of dumps. You have some different dumps in your hand, let us know in comments. And if you like the content, please do subscribe, and let us know your feedback on the comments, and like it if you get some content out of it. Thank you guys, see you on next video. Until then.